Dear students, today we are reading about relation and function of class 12th. Question number 11, 1.1 exercise. Question number 11 will be, so that the relation R in the set A, O point in a plane given by R, P and Q. Distance of the point P from the origin is same as the distance of point Q from the origin. It means OP equal to OQ. Okay, is an equivalence relation. Further, so that the set of all points related to a point P does not equal to 0 0 is the circle passing through the P with origin at center. Now the question number 11 we have to solve today. Let O is the origin. Let O be the origin. What is origin? Then R be the relation. PQ OP equal to OQ. I told you in the statement. Firstly, R is reflexive. Reflexive. Then take any distance OP. We know OP equal to OP. Distance taking OP. Then OP equal to OP. R is reflexive. R is symmetric. R is symmetric or symmetric. If OP equal to OQ, then OQ equal to OP. Both are same. Then R will be symmetric. R is transitive. Let OP equal to OQ, OQ equal to OR, then OP equal to OR. R is transitive. Okay. Then all gives equivalence relation. Since OP P lies on a circle with center at the origin. Since P lies on a circle with center at the origin. Okay. Question number 12. 12 also same. So that the relation R defined in the set of all triangles R, relation is that 12 question R, relation is that T1 and T2. T1 is equal to, T1 is similar to T2. Equivalence relation, consider the three right angle T1 with 3 4 5, T2 is 5 12 13, T3 is 6 8 10, which among the T1 T2 are related. Now R is reflexive and T1 is similar to triangle T2, then T2 is similar triangle T1. T1 equal to T2. Second, R is symmetric. This will be T1 equal to T2 and T2 also equal to T1. It will be symmetric. And transitive, T1 equal to T2 and T2 equal to T3, then it gives T1 equal to T3. R is equivalence relation. Now triangle are similar if their sides are proportional. Now side 3, 4, 5 of the triangle T1 are related to 6, 8 and 10. Okay, because it is 2. When we taking 2 out from common, it will be equal to 3. T1 related to T3. T1 related to T3. Okay. Question number 13, 14, 15 and 16. You write yourself. Exercise complete today. Thank you.